Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel and welcome 2025. This is my first vlog for this year. Finally, natapos ko na rin i-upload lahat ng mga video noong 2024. So in this episode, nagpunta kami sa Alteza restaurant dito sa Magalang, Pampanga. Nagre-research kasi ako ng places dito sa Pampanga na maganda pasyalan. At isa ito sa mga choices ko. They have cabins here too.
Yeah.
Yay, we're here.
There's nobody here, are there? People.
Yeah.
Surprised at lunchtime, they're probably right away. No, maybe
I
not.
told you, the people's gonna be here, like probably they have
Where do you want to go at?
over there in the restaurant.
Was that the restaurant up there?
Over there, the restaurant.
Oh, okay.
We just have to find some parking lot.
Go be-
Kawawa naman ang driver natin. Yan yata yung restaurant yun. Okay, let's go here.
Smells good.
We're going inside now.
This would be a nice thing to have a fire rig.
So this place is not just a restaurant. They have cabin as well. Family, couple, or group of friends can stay overnight or as much as you want. But this time, we just decide to just eat here and enjoy the scenery. And I'm happy because I have a good choice. The ambience and the atmosphere, it is really nice, and I like the rustic style.
Motorcycle. Dirt bike. Yeah, you can get up there with a dirt bike, maybe. Dirt bike.
So here's their menu. Look at that view. Nice, no?
Yeah. Makabultin yan.
No, that's the Mount Arayat.
Active volcano.
No, that's dormant already, right, darling?
That's what they say. Ano dormant?
Okay, what do you like?
Me?
Know him?
Oh.
Of course, just sinigang, right? Walang katapusang sinigang? Wait ka pa dyan. Tignan mo lahat ng mga menu, pero pag ano, sinigang mo. Ano lasa niyan?
What's he want? Fried chicken?
Here. Oh my goodness. Would you like some chicken, shrimp, right?
Yeah. Where's it at?
Would you like the buttered garlic shrimp?
Well, I don't know if it's going to be hard or not. I'd probably rather have the tempura if it's fried.
You want the tempura?
Yeah, on top of some fried rice if they have it.
Okay. And then, sisig. Cassandra, what do you like?
Sinigang, mommy.
Same, sinigang? In order na kita yan, sisig. Okay. So, meron sila ditong second floor. Actually, this is only for viewing or kung gusto mong magpa-picture or gusto mong picturean yung Mount Arayat. Actually, also makikita mo dito yung mga cabins na pwede kang magstay. I think dun sa cabins, meron din silang swimming pool. It's really nice lang because, you know, this is one of the places na magandang pasyalan talaga dito sa Pampanga. Ang ganda talaga ng view dito. Especially pagkakain ka, makikita mo yung view ng Mount Arayat. Thank you. Ang ganda-ganda talaga. Tsaka open lang siya. which is so nice.
This one? Look at her.
So, ayan. Ito na yung mga food na in-order namin. Pero in fairness, ang nagustuhan ko talaga dito is yung sisig at saka yung pasta. Ang sarap lang. What do you call in this?
Hello, hello.
Oh, okay.
Is it or no?
Yeah.
I see it advertised on TV all the time.
Yeah, hello, hello.
Ako ay nahi-hello, hello.
Halo.
Then who said a hello, hello?
Do they say halo, halo? No. They say
No, it's hello, hello.
Can I taste it? What is it?
It's a bunch of toppings like plantain banana, beans, and then you put some
Oh,
milk.
it's good.
You put some milk and then some crushed ice. So they called halo halo.
It's good. I wonder how they came up with
Because
the name.
no, because you put a lot of toppings, so you kind of like mix it up. It means in Tagalog, mix it up like halo, halo. So halo halo. There's a lot of toppings.
I don't know if I like that halo, halo.
Para makauwi na tayo. Masarap.
I like that song.
Madami ng tao pag maghahapon.
You have a drink of that. I just want to drink.
Drink it. It's over there. It's a cabin. You can I forgot how much. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Nag-enjoy din naman ng mga bagets. At saka nag-enjoy din ako. Masarap ang food. At saka maganda ang place. Actually, maganda rin dito pala kapag gabi. Kaso, mas pipiliin ko pa rin na pumunta rito ng araw. Kasi makikita mo yung Mount Arayat. Ang ganda ng view ng mountain. It's open already. So, just a heads up to everyone na gustong pumunta rito, especially kapag gabi, be careful kasi yung daan pala, pagpapunta ng restaurant is paakyat. So, especially kapag motorcycle, nako, kailangan mag-ingat talaga pag nag-drive. Ayun, thank you everyone for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!